Hi, welcome to Harbor to Happy Hour.
So on about day 5 of the Royal Beach Club being open, we went and visited, didn't have an idea what we were going to get into. This video is going to give you the how to get off the ship, where to go to at the Royal Beach Club, tell you all the ins and outs of the Royal Beach Club. But it's also going to tell you what not to bring and what you need to bring. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Harbor to Happy Hour. Tammy and I travel the world getting off at cruise ports to see and have some of the most wonderful adventures. We look forward to you joining us as we cruise the world. Please subscribe and like, turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with our next great adventure.
Once you get off the ship, you'll recognize the sign of the Royal Beach Club. And from there is 5 ferries that'll take you over to the Royal Beach Club.
So there the ferries are there on the left. It's like you have to go over here to the right and get in line to get on. So Tammy's in front of me. I got separated here on the walk off the ship. And actually, I was wrong. There is 2 Carnival ships here today, not just one. Hi.
Have a good day.
Unlike other excursions, you don't have to have a ticket. All you need is your SeaPass card to check in to get started with your day.
Hi. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks.
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 Good morning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning.
And here are the amenities that come with the Royal Beach Club experience. The towel station at Royal Beach Club, besides just offering towels, it offers sunscreen and lotion. You'll find the towel stands throughout the Royal Beach Club, so you do not need to bring your towels from the ship. Wi-Fi is provided at the Royal Beach Club. We found that the Wi-Fi worked really well almost across every location throughout the day. Lockers are also provided at the Royal Beach Club. You find many of these behind the towel stands. There's games provided. You'll find them throughout. This picture was taken early in the morning. There's many chairs throughout, but I'd say get there early because I'm seeing that selling out of the Royal Beach Club's taking place. The music provided an opportunity for different things to listen to throughout the day. This is a list of the cabanas that are provided for at the Royal Beach Club at additional cost. If you're thinking about a cabana and taking a family, this might be a good option. The poolside cabanas provide an opportunity to see the shallow end pool along with seeing the beach in the background. Great for families that want to have an opportunity to be at the beach and also the pool. If budget's no issue, the ultimate family cabana, offering an opportunity to have the beach right at the back door where you run down the slide and run straight to the ocean, or a hot tub just off the slide. A 2-story cabana offering everything that one family could love for a great beach and pool day.
The one thing you should bring is cash for tips. There's no place to sign for your bill, so you can't leave a tip for exceptional service.
The thing you should never bring to the Royal Beach Club is an outdoor speaker.
Don't be this guy at the beach and ruin everybody's day around you. The Royal Beach Club offers 2 beaches and 3 pools. Let's take a look.
Family beach and pool right here.
The Family Beach, more focused on families.
So here we are at the beach. This is different. This is different than Nassau. Some decent sized waves. I think Tammy's gonna go put her feet in the water. See all the chairs.
This is the Shallow End Swim Up Bar, part of the Shallow End Pool in the family pool area.
Look at how big this pool is. With the swim up bar.
Party Cove, that's where the party happens. Chill Beach. Grab a chair, grab a frosty umbrella drink, sit and watch the waves roll in. The Deep End Pool and Bar. Swim up, enjoy a drink, part of Chill Beach, relax and enjoy your day.
If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and hit the like button. The Royal Beach Club offers 3 different locations throughout to find a good place to grab something to eat under the shade of one of these beautiful umbrellas and colorful tables.
Cool. This is Paradise Grill. Another place to get something to eat. Picnic tables. Look at the blue water. Boy, it's beautiful. So they do have the ice cream set up on this one. So, hi.
This is one of the Paradise Grills where you can get water, juice, ice cream, desserts like cookies, and even some fruit. Paradise Grill has the Paradise Signature Cheeseburger, the Shroom Barbecue Burger, shrimp skewers, crispy fish sandwich, chicken tender wrap, chicken tenders, fire engine fritters, and a tropical salad.
I hope you've enjoyed our tips and tricks for the Royal Beach Club second time around.
Leave in the comments any questions you have about Royal Beach Club, and we'll get back to you. Please hit one of these buttons somewhere around and subscribe.